Hello, lovelies. I'm about to work in Cricut Design Space and create what I think is an easy, stackable font. So let me share my screen with you. And let's get the process started. So we're in Cricut Design Space. We're on a blank canvas. So we're going to go over to the left-hand side of the canvas and click on text. And you can type whatever word you want. I'm going to use blessed. And I'm using the impact font. So note the size of my design. And what I'm going to do is duplicate me another word just in case something gets messed up. All righty, then we're going to go over to the left-hand side and get me a shape. I'm going to get me a square. And let me see what my 850, 155. Okay. So I'm going to click on my square, release the locks portion, and my width is going to be 8.50, which is longer than the width of my word. And then the height is going to be half of what my word is. So I'm going to put it at, it was 211. Hold up a sec, I done forgot that quick. 211. So we're going to make this 105. Okay? I'm going to change this a different color because I'm going to need to send it to the back. Okay, I got my oblong square highlighted. I'm going to click on the arrange button up top and I'm going to send it to the back. That way I can see it as well as my design and try to get it as centered as possible. Okay, I'll shift it over to the left a little. That looks centered, and that looks, I'm gonna take it down one. That looks centered left and right as well as top and bottom. So I'm gonna bring it back to the front. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight both buttons. Now on the align tool, as you see, it doesn't have an option that will center that square in at the top middle of the word. It will either put it directly in the middle, at the top, or at the bottom. So you kind of have to wiggle your way and do it manually. That's why I put the design in the back of the word so that I can see. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight the shape as well as the word and come down to the right-hand corner and click on my slice. All righty, so I'm gonna move that part. I don't need, so I'm gonna delete it. This, move it to the top. This, move it to the top. This, move it to the bottom. Now I have two top portions, but only one bottom portion. No problem. Come over to the upper right-hand side of the canvas and click on duplicate. And I have another bottom portion. Highlight both of them, move it down some. Now that extra copy of that word, I'm gonna move that in the center, okay? I'm gonna take these two bottom portions and move that up some and manually adjust my spacing. Now I could highlight, highlight the entire design, click on the align and click align to the left so that I know my words, they are all aligned to the left. However, when I click on align and distribute vertically, which is the space in between each word, it doesn't do it right. You see it overlaps the three in the middle. So I'm going to hit my undo and put it back the way I had it, and I have to manually make the adjustment. Move that up some. Take it one more. All righty. I'm gonna highlight the bottom two since they seem to have equal spacing in between the two. Let me hit the undo button and move it down some. Okay, I like the way that looks. Everything looks to be equally distributed in between each word. But I'm gonna take that top word and change the color. And there you have it, your stackable design. That took less than 5 minutes. Now, if you want to jazz things up, you can click on each one and change it into a different color. Leave that one. Let's take it dark black. Oh, the wrong one. You can do it that way, or you can do a rainbow effect. Leave that one black. Nope. We're going to change this one to that color. And then we'll go in the reverse. You can do it that way. So the option is yours. And there you have your design. Then you can come and group it together. Either right click on it and group it together, or group it together up in the right hand on your layers panel. And there you have it. That's your stackable design. You can make it bigger or smaller. And that's it. That is our tutorial for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I will unshare my screen and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.